Glamping is all the rage, and for those seeking some luxurious outdoor adventures, a good go-to might be something like this 1946 Spartan Manor travel trailer. One of the neat touches is that this all-aluminum skin still bears some of the bumps and bruises from decades of being out on the road. While it looks retro on the outside, inside, it's been thoroughly upgraded and modernized. And the man responsible for that is Tom. Tom, take me back. When did you come across this project and what all did you start with?
So I bought this camp about 4 years ago from Washington State, and it looked like this. It was used as a construction site office. I received it, I got it everything. I spray insulated. We put, a heat pump on there, and then pretty much renovated everything up to 21st century.
And as any adventurer knows, one of the most important parts of being on the road is eating. Walk me through the kitchen area.
So in the kitchen you got the propane gas cooktop. You got a regular under cabinet fridge, and you got a microwave. You got your espresso machine, sink.
Everything you need.
Everything you need.
And now at the back you've got sleeping quarters. What all did you do back there?
That's correct. So you got the double-sized bed in the back. Underneath is storage that houses the cushion that goes on top of this table here. So when the table goes down, you have another queen-size bed in the front, so you can accommodate 4 people.
And one of the most striking elements of the inside is what you've done with the bathroom and restroom facility. You've made it full size.
That's correct. Yes, I wanted to sacrifice storage space for a full-size bathroom.
Now, Tom, I've got to ask, have you been able to get this thing out and enjoy it?
I have. I went to Birmingham, Alabama for Vintage Motorbike Festival with it. We went to National Forest in Mississippi, and a friend of mine that was going through chemo treatment lived in it for about a half a year, so he wouldn't be exposed to infections.
Yeah. Well, it's a great place to be. There's tons of details to check out. If you want to find out more, head over to Mecum.com, and do not miss when this thing crosses the block on Friday.